Cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video, I am actually going to start this season with a nice smoky eye and with some red lips. Maybe I don't know if I'm going with red or nude. I just don't know. But I am going to play with the Liveglam Confessions from the Nudist palette, and this is what it looks like. This is a very beautiful palette, very natural, easy to work with. I really love it, and I'm going to play because I haven't played with makeup for over almost a month now. Well, really played with makeup over a month, but yeah, now I just things doing really good this past month for me, and I haven't really done any videos of last month, November, because one, got sick, got new puppies, and interesting things have happened. So I am going through the Beauty Crop Eyeshadow Stuck on You Stay Suit, just to have a nice transition. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna definitely be using a shimmer. Probably use Nudie Patootie. I do want this to be like not too dark, because getting back into makeup, so I'm gonna start small. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm actually I'm gonna use Teddy Bear. This nice like pink color. New palette, so much for this. I'm just oh, okay. It's not bad. I'm using the Teddy Bear as a pink. A little bit. Looks like a really nudie. It's like a nudie pink. So we're just gonna go. I like it. Is like this shade right here. Nice, pretty color. So this is the finished look. Quite easy, simple. I really like it. Starting to get back into the makeup part. Very excited. So the lip piece I've used was from the Liveglam October's 2023 Alondra. What's saying her name pronouncedly? An Elsy collab they came out with. They came out with 2 lip products. Well, all lip products, I believe. And I think it was a brush, if I remember correctly, I think it was a brush. Yes. No, that's Jody Woods. But I know they came out with something more than that, but I don't know. I don't remember fully. So I used the Brownie lip liner from the collab that they did with the Latte one. I really like this one. Nice combination. They do have, here goes the other shade. It's called Chai, and they came out with a lip product called Cherry Pie. This one does smells like cherry pie. I really do like that. I'm just like missing my and everything. So really like this combination. Perfect. But yes, so this is today's video. I am still trying to get back into making videos. I am still trying to get back in the groove and everything. That's why I'm a little bit off a little bit, but it's okay. It's a working progress. So yeah. So make sure you hit the like button so you want to see more looks like this, even more like soft glam looks like this. Please hit the like button. If you want to be part of the crazy cuties clan that I've keep on growing basically, and I'm very excited. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and of course make sure the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesday at 12 p.m. and on Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So guys, or beauties, or cuties, I hope you have a wonderful day or night. I love you and God bless. Bye.